Hello, welcome to this Listbox screencast. Let's add an HTML form to our website. Adding an HTML form to a website will allow users to add themselves to your list. List owners can always use the Listbox interface to add or remove subscribers too. You can also add custom fields to your form, which will let you collect additional user data. Let's check out the settings page first. In the basic policies section, we can establish how people can join this list. If we want users to be automatically added, we'll use the subscriber policy, anyone can join. Enabling notification means we'll send you an email when a new subscriber is added. If administrators should be asked to approve new subscribers before they are added, we'll use send request to list owners for approval. Let's choose anyone can join. Next, if you want to collect additional user data, we'll add any custom fields that we wish to have subscribers include. As you can see, I have a field called location, which is a custom field that I have added to track the location of my subscribers. For more information on this, check out our screencast on custom fields. Now, let's get our subscription form. You can find the link for it on the subscriber's main page, in the help section, or in your list welcome email. On this page, we can set up the information that will go into our HTML form. First, choose the list that subscribers will be added to. Next, let's choose the type of form we want to create. If we want to make a form where users can subscribe and unsubscribe, we will choose the option both subscribe and unsubscribe. If we only want to make a sign-up form, we would choose subscribe only. And if we only wanted a form which allowed users to unsubscribe, we would choose unsubscribe only. Since I am going to put this form on the front page of my website, I'll choose subscribe only. You may want to have a separate unsubscribe only or subscribe and unsubscribe form elsewhere on your site. The next section is optional. By default, after a person submits their email address for subscription, they'll be taken to a Listbox page showing the status of their request. If you'd prefer, you can direct them to a confirmation page on your own website instead. You can also specify an error page if the user has an unsuccessful sign-up. You would put the URL of the pages on your website that we should take them to within these boxes. Again, these are optional. If you do not include these links, users will be brought to a default Listbox page, either confirming that they have successfully requested to be added to this list, or if there was an error. Let's leave these blank and move on to the next step to retrieve this form. At the top of this page, you will see an example of how the form will appear on your website. Please note that the box at the top of the page is active, so if you type in any address and submit information, this will start the process to add or remove an address from your list. Fields that are in red are required, and subscriptions without them will not be processed. Beneath the form, you will see the HTML form that you can add to your website. Just click to copy the form to your clipboard. You can then go to the page where you edit your HTML and include that form. If you are more experienced with HTML, you can even update the form styling to match your website. Thanks for watching this screencast.